1. Which Power BI component is used to shape and transform data before loading it into the data model? A. Power BI Desktop. B. Power Query Editor. C. DAX Editor. D. Data Model View. 2. What does the Remove Errors feature do in Power Query? A. Filters out null values. B. Deletes rows that contain errors. C. Replaces errors with default values. D. Converts error cells to blank. 3. In Power Query, which language is used under the hood to perform transformations? A. DAX. B. R, C, M, D, SQL. 4. What happens when you disable Enable Load for a query in Power BI? A. The query will still refresh but won't appear in the model. B. The query is deleted. C. The query becomes read-only. D. The query is archived. 5. Which feature is best suited to combine multiple Excel files from a folder into a single query in Power BI? A. Merge queries. B. Group by. C. Append queries. D. Combine files. 6. Which data view in Power BI allows you to create calculated columns and measures? A. Report view. B. Data view. C. Model view. D. Query editor. 7. In Power BI, a one-to-many relationship means A. A single value in one table can relate to multiple values in another. B. Many values in both tables relate to each other. C. Both tables must have primary keys. D. Relationships cannot be filtered. 8. Which DAX function returns a column with the distinct values of another column? A. Values. B. Distinct. C. All. D. Select columns. 9. What is the purpose of creating a calculated table in Power BI? A. To reduce model size. B. To filter data dynamically. C. To generate a new table using DAX formulas. D. To enable append operations. 10. Which DAX function is commonly used to create running totals? A. Ranks. B. Summarize. C. Calculate. D. Total it. 11. Which of the following DAX functions would you use to calculate a conditional value similar to Excel's if? A. Ifs. B. Switch. C. Calculate. D. If. 12. Which DAX function removes filters from a column or table? A. Remove filters. B. Filter. C. All. D. Calculatable. 13. What does the related function do in DAX? A. Returns a related table. B. Performs a merge operation. C. Brings a column from a related table into the current row context. D. Replaces missing data. 14. How does the calculate function affect filter context? A. It ignores filter context. B. It adds row context. C. It modifies or overrides the filter context. D. It merges tables. 15. Which function would you use to create a KPI that returns a different value based on multiple conditions? A. Lookup value. B. If. C. Switch. D. Format. 16. Which visualization would best show trend data over time? A. Table. B. Matrix. C. Line chart. D. Slicer. 17. How can you display data at different granularities in a single visual? A. Use multiple charts. B. Enable drill down. C. Use bookmarks. D. Create calculated columns. 18. Which visual is best used to compare actual versus target values? A. Donut chart. B. Waterfall chart. C. KPI. D. Scatter chart. 19. What feature enables users to interactively filter visuals by clicking on them? A. Cross-filtering. B. Drill through. C. Bookmarking. D. Slicer. 20. What feature would you use to apply a filter to a single page, but not to others? A. Report level filter. B. Visual level filter. C. Page level filter. D. Slicer. 21. What is the primary difference between Power BI Pro and Power BI Free? A. Power BI Pro is a desktop-only tool. B. Power BI Free does not allow for sharing or collaboration. C. Power BI Pro has fewer visual options. D. Power BI Free supports data gateways. 22. What is a Power BI workspace? A. A data connector. B. A collection of related data flows. C. A collaborative area to manage dashboards, reports, and datasets. D. A premium-only feature. 23. What happens when you publish a report from Power BI Desktop to the Power BI service? A. The report is converted to an Excel file. B. It becomes editable only by administrators. C. The report and dataset are both uploaded. D. Only the visualizations are uploaded. 24. Which of the following features enable scheduled data refresh from on-premises data sources? A. Direct query. B. Live connection. C. Data gateway. D. REST API. 25. What permission is required to share a dashboard in Power BI service? A. Viewer. B. Contributor. C. Power BI Pro license. D. Dataset owner. Microsoft Power BI 7778. The Microsoft Power BI 70-778 exam, titled Analyzing and Visualizing Data with Microsoft Power BI, was designed to validate a candidate's ability to analyze data, create interactive reports, and deliver actionable business insights using Power BI. This exam focused on key skills such as connecting to data sources, performing data transformations using Power Query, modeling data with DAX, and creating visually compelling dashboards and reports. Candidates were also expected to understand how to deploy reports to the Power BI service and configure data refresh and security. Aimed at data analysts and professionals working with business intelligence tools, the 70-778 exam served as part of Microsoft's MCSA certification track before being retired and replaced by newer role-based certifications such as the Data Analyst Associate DA100. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Career advancement. Passing the 70-778 exam validated data analysis and visualization skills, helping professionals stand out in roles such as data analyst, business intelligence developer, or report designer. 2. Mastery of Power BI tools. The exam ensured deep knowledge of Power BI Desktop, Power Query, DAX, and Power BI Service, allowing users to build end-to-end BI solutions. 3. Organizational impact. Certified individuals contributed to better decision-making by creating interactive, real-time dashboards that helped stakeholders gain insights and act faster. 4. Certification credibility. Earning the 70 to 778 credential from Microsoft added credibility and demonstrated a standardized level of expertise in business analytics. 5. Foundation for further certifications. It served as a stepping stone for more advanced Microsoft certifications, including those in data engineering and AI, aligning with evolving career paths.